Okay, for this assignment, you're going to compare your birthday to the birthday of Cristina, who you just saw in the video. So it says, compare Cristina's birthday with your birthday. Click and drag the phrases from the bottom of the bottom to the correct section of the diagram. Then add 3 more phrases in the empty boxes. Here they are. About your traditional birthday celebration. So you'll read each one. If it's too small, you can go up and you can do view and you can zoom. But for instance, this one says, invito a mis abuelos. So I think, so did Cristina do that? Oh, she did do that in her party, but do I also do that? If I do that too, I'm going to put it in the middle. Otherwise, we'll just put it for Cristina. Okay. There are other phrases down here, comemos hamburguesas. And so you'll put them in one of the sections, and then you're going to add 3 more that would just apply to you. You didn't see Cristina do it, but you do it. Now, some you might just change up. So instead of invito a mis abuelos, you might talk about who you invite. Or instead of comemos hamburguesas, you might talk about what kind of hamburgers or what kind of food you eat. You could also talk about maybe some activities that you do. What you decorate with. Decoramos con papel picado. Maybe you say decoramos con, and then you put something else. Okay? And as soon as that's done, then you click submit and you're all done.